everyone, welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Today let's make mushroom biryani. And with that we will have Kaju, that is cashew nut chicken curry. Before going into the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe for more of my videos. So let's get started. I took one pack of mushrooms in which I got 12 to 15 mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms very well with water and salt. Let's wash the mushrooms neatly and then we will peel the skin off. Slice the stem off and peel the skin. The skin will come out easily. I have peeled all the mushrooms and now we will slice them. Mushrooms are very soft and can be sliced very easily. You can slice them in any shape. I have taken 3 cups of basmati rice. After washing, let it soak for around 10 minutes. Let's see the ingredients for the mushroom biryani. Sliced onions, sliced mushrooms, handful of pudina or mint, slit green chilies 5 to 6, whole spices, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, sajira and star anise, biryani leaves and ginger and garlic crushed. I will use mortar and pestle for freshly grinding the ginger and garlic. So in this recipe, I will be using 1 teaspoon of freshly made ginger garlic paste. Also 1 teaspoon garam masala. Let's put pressure cooker on the stove and add 3 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let's add the whole spices. If you want, you can add less spices, as my biryani will be a little spicy. Add the biryani leaf. Mix it and add mint or pudina and slit green chilies. Mix everything well and then add onions. Mix everything very well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Onions are fried nicely. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste. After frying ginger garlic paste for 30 seconds, add the mushrooms. Mix everything very well and place a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked well. Now we can add the rice. Mix everything very well. Use the same cup for adding water that you have used for measuring the rice. I am adding 5 cups of water for 3 cups of basmati rice. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix well, close the lid and let it cook for 2 whistles. The pressure is gone. Now let's take off the lid. Biryani is perfectly cooked. Let's take it into the serving plate. So the biryani is ready and let's now start the cashew chicken curry. I have washed the chicken with salt and turmeric powder and let's now marinate it. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder depending on how spicy you want. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of crystal salt. You can add normal salt also. 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything very well, close the lid and let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, the chicken is marinated well. Now let's start the curry. I'm taking 1 big onion, 5 to 6 green chilies, cashew nuts, all spices, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, shajira and star anise, and oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. Also, I'll freshly grind ginger garlic and add 1 teaspoon to the curry. First, let's crush few cashews and remaining I will add as it is. Now let's crush the ginger and garlic. It gives a nice aroma to the curry. Place a pan on the stove and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices, add onion and green chilies and stir well. Now add the cashews and stir well and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are golden brown. Onions are fried well. Now adding 1.5 teaspoon of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Everything very well and let it cook for another 1 minute. Add the marinated chicken and again mix everything well. Close the lid and let the chicken cook in the oil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the lid and mix the chicken curry once. Add half a glass of water and with lid closed, let it cook for another 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Here I am taking dry coconut and will grind in the mixer and make it into desiccated powder. And I will use 2 teaspoons of this desiccated coconut powder in the chicken curry. Let's mix everything very well and then add dhania or coriander leaves before turning off the stove. And our cashew chicken curry is ready to be served. Today my daughter Hasita will tell how the recipe has turned out.
It's fried. Wow.
Nice.
And then I'm going to finish this up. Bye. That was dry.
Please do like, share and subscribe to watch more of my videos. Thank you for watching.